Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe, and I welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of VAIR community. So, in this today's video, we are going to continue our series of the 10 important questions for your CUET PG exam. So, if you are new to this channel, then you should know how do we solve, how do we play the game. This is like just a game. So what will we do? I will show the question. Whenever you will see the question, you have to pause the video. You have to try to solve. If you could solve it, that will be great. If you couldn't solve, that will be also good because at least you have tried. Okay. So we'll play this. And yes, you have to subscribe the channel and you can share with your friends also. And if you enjoyed, then you can like it. So let's jump on the question now. Here is your question number 1, which is on the screen. You can pause and try to solve. So what are they saying? A right angle triangle whose perpendicular sides measures 1.8 centimeter and 2.4 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. What is the circumference of the circle? So if suppose this is the circle and they are saying that there is a right angle triangle in the circle. If there is a right angle triangle in the circle, then we know that that right angle's hypo always goes through the hypo is always the diameter. So suppose this is the triangle. So this will be the hypo, which is the diameter. Is it? Suppose this is the A, B and C and this is the right angle triangle. So what I know that one side is a 1.8, one side is a 2.4. So obviously if it is a right angle triangle, we can solve it we can find out the AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be equals to 1.8 square plus 2.4 square. That means 3.24 plus 5.76. So we can say AC square is equals to this sum will be what? 76 and 2400. Carry will be 1 because 00 will be in the points. You can see 6 plus 4, 10. Carry is a 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry will be 1, 9.0. So AC will be equals to root of 9. That means 3, which means diameter is equals to 3. Is it hypo is equals to what? Diameter for the right angle triangle. So they have asked you the circumference of circle. So what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle in terms of the diameter is equals to pi d. So where value of diameter is a 3, that means it will be equals to 3 pi. Option number D will be the answer. That's it. Easier. Now let's jump on the question number 2. There are 52 beggars outside the temple. 312 apples are distributed among them so that each man gets 9 apples and each woman gets 5 apples. Find the number of men and women outside the temple. So let's say there are 52 beggars. So men plus women total are 52. And each man gets 9 apples. So 9m plus each woman gets 5 apples. So 5w is equals to total 312. If we solve this two equation as a simultaneous equation, we will multiply this equation with the 5. So it will become a 5m plus 5w is equals to 5 to the 10, carry will be 1, 25 plus 1 is a 26. If I solve it, 5w, if I subtract it, 5 women will get cancelled. 9 minus 5, 4 men is equals to 312 minus 260, that means 40 and it will be 52. So number of men will be equals to 30. Out of 52, if men plus women is equals to 52, out of which men are 13. So women will be 52 minus men, that means 52 minus 13. So number of women will be 39. So they have asked you men and women, so it will be 39, 39. Option number A will be the answer. Easier. Now let's jump on the next question. I hope you are able to solve these questions, and if you couldn't, then after seeing this solution, you are able to understand. Okay, now let's solve this one. A box contains 21 balls numbered 1 to 21. A ball is drawn and then another ball is drawn without replacement. What is the probability that both balls are even number? So out of this 21, how many even numbers will be there? As we know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and it will be 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So there are total 10 even numbers, right? So what will be the probability? We have to take a 2 balls, right? A ball is taken, drawn out and again another ball is drawn out. So out of 21, initial probability will be 10 by 21. If you without replacement means next time remaining balls will be 20, out of which these even numbers will be the 9. So what will be the answer? 0, 0 cancelled. 3 2s are, 3 7s are. So 3 upon 7 2s are 40. So it will be option number C. That's it. Easier. Now let's solve the next question. You can see here is the question. What are they saying here? If in a code language, computer, COMPUTER, is coded as OC, that means O is here, C is here. Okay. Then RE means these last two letters come here. As we can see, last one is here R and then E. Then PM means these two again reversed in a PM. And then remaining were the TU. So again, these are again reversed. We are taking in a reverse order. So similarly, how will you code the word daughter? DAUGHTER. So as I know, first I will repeat it. So you can see here OC. See, similarly here A and D. Then last two letters in a reverse order. So RE. So RE. Then next two in a reversed one. They will reverse it. So GU. So G and U. And again this one in a reverse one. So TH. So which is this ADRE? ADREGUTH. Answer will be option number C will be the answer. That's it. Easier. Now we'll jump on the next question. I hope you had paused the video for the previous questions also and for the next questions also. You have to pause and try to solve. Then let's solve this question now. Hardik and Pandya sold their bats at rupees 5457 each, but Hardik incurred a loss of 50% while Pandya gained 2%. And what we know that their SP is the same. So whatever will be their cost price, on that, on the first one, there is a 15% loss to the Hardik and 2% profit to the Pandya. And as we know that SP is the same. So SP is equal to what? CP into that profit, right? So suppose the CP of Hardik is a X and CP of Pandya is a Y. So what can we say? This X into, on this CP, 15% loss means 85% of CP on which he has sold. Similarly, SP for the second one means the Y is the same. So on which he got, say, 2% profit. So 100 will get cancelled. X by Y will be equals to 102 by 85. 17 6 are 102, 17 5s are 5. So answer will be option number C, that is the 6:5. As they have asked you what is the ratio of the cost price of the Hardik to the Pandya. They haven't asked you the what is the cost price. They haven't asked you the cost price. They have asked you the ratio. That's why we have directly taken it as a X by Y. Okay. If they had asked the actual price, then we will find out that X into 85 by 100 is equal to 5457. Then you will get the value of X. Similarly, Y into 102 by 100 is equal to 5457. Then you will get the value of Y. But here they have asked you the ratio, so we can directly solve like this. Okay. I hope you are getting this. Now let's solve the next question. So here is the question number 6. The marks scored by Ramnath in 3 subjects are in the ratio 3:5:6. Ramnath scored an overall aggregate of 70% in the exam. If the maximum marks in each subject are the same, in how many subjects did Ramnath score more than 75%? So, as we know that maximum, as you can see, overall score is a 70%. And suppose maximum marks are 100. So what will be the total maximum marks? Maximum marks of each subject is 100. So total, as we know that there are 3 subjects. So total marks will be 100 plus 100 plus 100. That means 300. And as they are saying that he got how much? His overall score is a 70%. So what will be his score? His score will be equals to overall score. 70% of 300. How much it will be? As we know, 0000 will get cancelled. 7 3s are 210. Means his overall score is a 210. As we know, those marks are in the ratio of 3:5:x. Means 3x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 210. So what will it be? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. X is equal to 210. 7 2s are 7 30s are, and x will be equals to 30 by 2 means 15. So what will be his marks? His marks in 3 subjects will be 3x, 5x, 6x. That means 15 into 3, 45. 15 5s are 75. 15 6s are 90. These are his marks. So they have asked you in how many subjects did Ramnath score more than 75% marks. So 75 or more than 75 is what? For these two are the more than 75 or the 75. So in a 1 and 2 subjects, answer will be option number. That's it. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 7 is here. Addy is a working and Sandy is a sleeping partner in a business. Addy puts 20,000 and Sandy puts 30,000. Okay. Addy receives 50% of the profit for managing the business and the rest is divided in the proportion of their capital. If the total profit is rupees 10,500, find out the share of Sandy. As they haven't given anything about the time period, so we can say their ratios will be, their profit will be divided in the ratio of 2:3 because this 40 will get cancelled. Okay, so I know that this profit will be divided in the 2:3, but as Addy is a working partner, he received 50% of the profit. And they have asked you what is the share of Sandy. So Sandy will receive how much? Out of this profit of 10,500, 15% will goes to the Addy. So remaining will be the 85%. And out of those 85%, how much Sandy received? 2:3. That means Sandy gets 3/5 because Sandy gets the 3. It will be 3/5. So if you solve this, what will it be? Double zero cancelled. Then 5 into 17s are 17 5s are 85, carry 8, 17 ones are 17 into 3. So how much it will be? 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 24 plus 1, 25, carry 2, 21 plus 2, 23, carry will be 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 5, 3, 5, 5. That means option number A is the answer. That's easier. Now we will go for the next question. So let's solve this next one now. A driver of an auto rickshaw sees a lorry 60 meters ahead of him. After 30 seconds, the lorry is 90 meters behind. Initially, it was 60 meters ahead. If suppose this is an auto and this is a lorry, it was a 60 meter ahead. And after 30 seconds, what happens? If this auto is going ahead, so auto is here and that lorry is a 90 meter behind. That means how much distance is covered? And they are saying if the speed of auto rickshaw is 38 km per hour, what is the speed of lorry? Options are in a kilometer per hour. So what will be the total distance? Distance will be equals to 60 plus 90 means 150. And this is covered in how much? 30 seconds. So time is equals to 30 seconds. So what will be the speed? Relative speed, as both are going in the same direction, right? If initially lorry was ahead, now it is a behind. That means both of them are going in the same direction. So relative speed will be equals to distance upon time. That means 150 by 30, which is equals to 5 meter per second. And it will be equals to 5 into 18 by 5. That means 18 kilometer per hour. This is the relative speed. And as we know that what will be the relative speed? Relative speed will be equals to speed of the auto rickshaw minus speed of the lorry. Because auto is going ahead, that means speed of the auto is a more. So more minus less. So relative speed 18 is equal to speed of auto rickshaw is a 38 minus speed of the lorry. So speed of the lorry will be equals to 38 minus 18 means 20 kilometer per hour. So answer will be option numbers. That's it. Easier. This is the concept of relative speed. Now let's solve the next one. Jump on the next question. Question number 9 is here. The price of rice has been increased by 20%. Lalu has decided to spend only 8% more than what he initially did on buying rice. What is the percentage decrease in the Lalu's rice consumption? So what we know that price into consumption is equals to what? His was the initially, it was his cost price or whatever he was buying, or we can say yes, it is the price which he was spending. Okay, so as I know that price has been increased, consumption must be decreased, and this one will be because they have asked you percentage decrease in the consumption. So cost price has been increased by the 8%. His price has been increased. Price has been increased by the 20. Cost price, or we can say that he is the money which he is spending. Okay, spend money. So what we know that whenever such things happen, this is the A, this is the B, plus A minus B. So plus A minus B plus minus AB by 100 is equals to this percent, right? This is the overall change. So overall change is the 8% as we know. So we can say plus 20 minus x minus 20 into x by 100, which is equals to 8. Suppose this is the x percentage. So how much it will be? 20 minus 8 is equals to x plus 2x by 10. 2x by 10 means how much it will be? Okay, 2x by 10 if I keep it as it is. 20 minus 8 is a 12, which will be equal to 10 plus 2, 12x by 10. So you can see 12 cancel. So x will be equals to 10%. That means option number A is the answer. Easier. And now let's jump on the last question of this video. So what are they saying in this question? The sum of the ages of Kidambi and Shrikant 14 years hence will be equal to 2 times their present age. So Kidambi plus 14 years hence, sum of Shrikant 14 years hence will be equals to 2 times of their present age. So how much it will be? K plus S plus 28 is equals to 2K plus 2S. So this 2K, 2S will be get subtracted. There will be, so 2K minus K will be plus K, 2S minus S is a plus S, which is equals to 28. So their sum is equals to 20. Then what are they saying? If at present Kidambi is 8 years elder to Shrikant. So Kidambi is what? Kidambi is equals to Shrikant plus 8. Then what are their present age? So I am substituting here K is equal to S plus 8 plus S is equal to 28. S plus S 2S is equal to 28 minus 8 is a 20. So age of Shrikant will be 10. If Shrikant is a 10, what will be the age of Kadambi? Kadambi is a 8 more than 10. That means Kadambi will be 18 and Shrikant will be 10. So the ages will be option number C. That is a 18 and 10. That's it. I hope you have understood this. You have enjoyed this video. And yes, if you are looking for the access for our live classes or mock strategies, free resources, and number of things you will get. So you just have to comment the TISS in this comment box and you will get the link for all these. You can join this TISS CUET community. You will get all the live classes, mock strategies, free accesses, free resources. You will get the number of access here. So just put TISS in the comment box and stay tuned for the next video in which we will again see the next set, and there are number of videos will be there. Not only for the set, you can see the other questions, whichever you have doubt, you can ask all those doubts in the comment box. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.